Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Right. Okay, so today I want to show you a very nice drop 2 chord voicings you can use for different purpose for your choir, to accompany a singer, to play, back up a preacher, accompany a preacher when he's preaching, and so many other stuff you can use this for. Intro to songs, and so on and so forth. So we're going to be in the key of F sharp. So to watch this video, you must be qualified to play at least averagely in the key of F sharp. If you can, then type it in the comment section. We'll get and help for you. All right, so F sharp. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so the movement goes as this. So what am I playing? What is drop 2? Drop 2 is just a piano technique where you pick the second highest melody from your right hand, and then you send it back to the left hand. So you send it back to the village. That's in the left hand. All right. So for instance, if you have a F sharp major chord, the first highest melody is on top. That is your C sharp. The second one is the B flat. So you pick the B flat and send it to the village. Where's the village? That's in the left hand. So you have a... So I'm sure you can see that now. So we don't have the melody line in the middle again. So because it's been sent to the left hand. So that's drop 2. So you can do the same thing for this chord. So this was a B major chord, which is a B, E flat, and F sharp, but you can pick out the second highest melody, which is E flat, and take it to the left. So, right. So you can do that. So that's drop 2. And then also, what if it's a major 7 chord? Someone is asking that question. Like, I can tell you're asking that question. Yes. Now, what if it's a major 7 chord that has 4 notes? How do you do that? So it's still the same technique. If you have a 4 notes chord, which is, for instance, F sharp major 7, F sharp, B flat, D flat, and then F. So what's the second highest melody? It's still the same rule. F is the highest melody. Counting backwards, C sharp is the next highest melody. So that C sharp is what you take to your left hand. So it becomes stuff like this. Right. Right. So let's say you have a chord like this, you can... So that's it. So now, I'm going to show you that one I'm playing now so that you can use that to accompany a singer. Right. So if you want to get some of my more elaborate courses, piano courses, you can check the About section of this channel. You'll see my seller link, so click it. You're going to see a lot of my courses, piano courses that you can get to help you. All right, so let's continue with this. So we are starting from our... so this first... Let me add string. So you can use that when to back up a preacher. All right, so let's take out the string and then see this. So the first one, we have our F chord. So drop 2. You now know that. Then to this chord, F sharp second inversion, which is C sharp, F sharp, and B flat. Add the drop 2 again. Do the drop 2. Do the mathematics, right? We have this, right? Then C sharp major chord. This, that's a C sharp, F, and A flat. Drop 2, it becomes a... So together we have a pa, pa, pa. Then let's do this. Right? So, C sharp major, C sharp chord, also the second inversion. The drop 2, you do that. Then B major chord, also you do the drop 2. So I'm playing, I'm actually doing B major sus 2. So with a added third, major third. So you take that third to the left hand. That's the village. Right? So we have a pa, 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 pa. Then, so the next one, 4 to 3, we have a, on the left hand, we have this chord again, B major 7, sorry, B chord. The second inversion rather. So that's a F sharp, B, and E flat. So the 2, you drop the 2, you know what the 2 means now, you can see that. So that's the B note, so you drop it to the left. Then we are back to the first chord where we started, which was F sharp chord. So together, let's do this slowly. So 1, 2, we've learned that, right? Then we'll learn, yeah. Then we'll do the same thing again. Then you do. So you do the same thing back to your this chord where we have the B, C sharp, and then the F sharp on the right hand. So we have a B, D, C sharp, and F sharp. There's supposed to be an E flat in this chord, but it's been sent to the left hand. So then you can now run your arpeggio. So let's look at the arpeggio. Where am I playing? So I have a E flat on the left, B, C sharp, E flat, and G sharp. Sorry, G flat on the left. So together. So this is just my starting point. After this position, then I move to this. So the left hand starts playing just the F sharp, while the right hand holds the B, C sharp, E flat, and then the F sharp. And you keep running that. Even if you have an odd 100 octaves keyboard, you keep